If you're experiencing some craft room blahs and you're stuck in the middle of winter and you love to shape flowers, join me and we'll learn how to create some beautiful pansies. Nothing speaks spring more than pansies. We have these in beautiful, vibrant pops, and you'll follow these simple, easy step-by-step instructions, and we'll have you creating beautiful pansies that you, your friends, and family will absolutely love. To get started, we're going to use the Cherry Pansy stamp and die set. When you look at this set, there are 3 different sizes of flowers that stamp beautifully together. Now the pansy comes in 2 parts per size, plus these beautiful leaves, so you have everything you need to make the flower basic. So to get started, I stamped the pansy in a majestic violet archival ink. So this is the large size. I typically take an 8.5 by 11 sheet, stamp it completely full, so I have all these flowers I can make very quickly. We're going to start by showing you how you can quickly and easily color these. I'm using a Tiger Lily archival ink in the center, just going around in a circular motion. And when you do this, just give it quite a bit of color if you like bright pops, or go a little bit lighter if you like a little bit more of a light colored flower. And don't be afraid to experiment with different color combinations to really highlight and accent this. Now, when you use these flowers, you can always color them prior to cutting them out, or if you want, you can also do it after they're cut out, whichever works best for you. The second color I'm using is called Cactus Flower, so that kind of gives that nice bright pop of color around the edges. And then once you have everything colored like this, you just continue coloring those in. You can go back and you can go around the edges after they're cut out. Now these are obviously already shaped, but I just want to show you how you can add an extra dark pop of color, and that would be the majestic violet just on the edge if you wanted to after it's cut out, and that will give your flower a nice bright pop of color. To shape the pansies, you could do it manually with that flower shaping stylus, but we've made it simple and easy to get those beautifully creased edges and doing a lot at one time, and that is with the Pansy flower shaping mold. So you can stamp and die cut out a bunch of them, and then you could layer up to 2 to 3 layers of flowers on top of each other. Today I'm just doing 1 layer. So you'll go ahead and lay these in. So you'll see these deep crevices are perfectly designed for that pansy. So if it's specific, you'll have those leaves and those flowers all shaped with 1 pass of the die. So this makes flower shaping super easy, whether you're a beginner or an advanced crafter. You'll get the same look every single time. So we'll pop this on top. If you have never used these before, click on our die compatibility list to see if your machine works with this flower shaping mold. So we'll put that in between the plates, run that through, and we'll have all those shaped with 1 pass of the machine. So when that comes out, you'll go ahead and just pop those flowers right out, and you can continue to shape and mold those as desired. When you put the pansy together and assemble it, you'll have 2 parts. So this is the base part, and then you have the second part. And when you're looking at this, there's a straight edge at the bottom that's going to be facing down, and you'll just slide that behind that base. So that goes right in. So if you're looking at the base, kind of think of like Mickey ears up here, and then just slide that in. Now you could just leave this like this, glue it together. If you like a little bit more crease and crinkle, I'm just going to show you another option. You can just kind of push those little just pansy petals a little bit tighter if you want. Totally up to you. You don't have to do that. Just an option. The crinkles are there for you, so it's super easy. Before you put that together, just put a little dot of glue in the middle and bring that petal in. And then there's another step that I like to do to just bring this all together. You'll put this down onto your mat, and then take your stylus using 3 or 4 millimeter tip, whichever works best for you depending on the size of pansy, and just press that down. Now, this is the large one, so you might want to use a little bit larger stylus tip. This has the 5 millimeter tip on the base, and just squeeze that down, and that will stick together, and lay that aside to dry. Once that's dry, you can put a flower center. You can put a stamen or prills in the center, add some glitter, and you have that beautiful pansy done very quickly. Adding the pansies to the cards are absolutely beautiful. So you'll see these dimensional pansies added to the Burst of Spring stamp and die set. So this is, again, the individual cherry pansy stamp and die set, and you can use those individually in a bouquet. Think corsage for Mother's Day, some fun things like that. Or you can pair those pansies on top of main images that already have that background anchor. The Burst of Spring stamp and die set has that kind of like that teacup vase and then a single flower spray that's absolutely stunning to add those pansies on top. And then you could pair that with the decorative diamond accents to make that stunning, beautiful dimensional card. Some more stamps and dies within this collection. This is another one paired with the diamond accents and just the pansies in more of a flatter dimension because we have that decorative die that goes with that as well. So you have multiple accents that you can use to cut these out and pair those with. We also have the delicate pansy spray. Absolutely love how these two come together. You can use these as a left and a right. Those cut out beautifully, and you have some single pansies that you can cut out and layer on top. And those were cut apart, just used as sprays around. Think about the decorative dies you could pair those with. So lots of fun options with these. They're beautiful, beautiful accent pieces with that actual main pansy stamp and die. This is the petite pansy frame. You'll notice the beautiful diamond anchor on this one. It's designed to fit with the diamond dies that we just released. So you'll see this one just 3-dimensional on the top, and then added those individual pansies from the cherry pansy stamp and die set. You have that opening in the card, so you have that beautiful diamond. You could stamp a sentiment in there, or you could do it a little bit less dimensional depending on who you're giving that to. Here's some more with the diamond background accents, adding that on top, cutting it out with the coordinating die, and using that left and right pansy spray as accents down the sides. So the colors, the possibilities with these are endless. And then the paper collection is absolutely stunning. If you like those beautiful lavender hues with some soft cheery greens, it really is that burst of spring paper. The paper will make it simple and easy to put together those beautiful cards. Here's some stunning pansies that are already pre-colored. All you have to do is just cut them out and remember to shape those with a beautiful shaping mold for quick and easy flowers that look beautiful every single time. Following these simple, easy steps, no matter if you're a beginner or you're an advanced crafter and you like to do those quick flowers, add pops of colors, use your creative imagination, experiment with different color combinations, and have fun creating those pansies. If you do not have yours yet, make sure to get yours ordered today. I've added the links below for quick and easy ordering, and if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure to get subscribed so you don't miss out on the next video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you next time. Bye!